Now we can discuss about it is for marketing industry. That is, why is SEO the hardest skill for marketers to master? That is, we are discussing now. Why is SEO the hardest skill for marketers to master? My name is Ganesh and my YouTube channel name is SEEYOURNEEDS. See your needs. Once if you in YouTube search, if you type it, see your needs, all small letters only, and no specifically commas are not there and spaces are not there. SEEYOURNEEDS. Once if you type it, you will get all my technical videos. So many are there. You can see those also. Now, and we can go into the subject of SEO, the hardest skill for marketers to master. Yes, SERPs are fluid, not only algorithmic terms, but design and function of the SERPs page itself. That is search engine ranking pages. SERPs means search engine ranking pages. As Google's greed grows, the need to generate more revenue grows. You see, you see the organic opportunity shrink. Getting Now, I want to say one thing, that is, I'm also preparing the notes in the notepad without missing the option and as well as in a compact way to explain you. This is especially for marketers. Getting more converted with organic results, like the last Google design update disaster. Also see snippets and answers boxes, all designed with the hopes of having someone stays on the SERP search engine ranking pages must few seconds longer, increasing the likelihood an ad click will occur. So you have a shrinking playing field, yet more players as the web countries to grow. Yes, I don't have all the time. I need to write all of the stuff. So the skill sets needed are both left and right brain. Writing a buttery smooth command of your native language is what are the SEO things. The hardest skill for marketers are research is most important regarding your product, and analytics, how for which type of people and in which areas it will be useful, and the statistics, the count of the statistics is also most important, in which areas and which type of products will go very well. And graphics is most important regarding your product growth and product quality and quantity also. And psychology, what is the psychology of users of your product. And patience, psychology means they are using in a positive way or not. That is patience. Patience is also most important to every marketer. And the competitiveness is also most important. But competitiveness, it is not wrong competitiveness. Take it, everything is positive regarding your competitors, also regarding competitiveness. Desire to keep learning. Always you should have a desire to keep learning on for the time being in your subject and in your product and in your company and all these things. SEO is a part. Art, the content you create, and part science, measuring and testing the effectiveness of your art. This is most important, and this is the thing. So being the hardest skill for marketers is most important thing is research, analytics. Then 5 7 points I will discuss, that is research, analytics, statistics, graphics, psychology and patience, and competitiveness, desire to keep learning. These are then totally it will be 8 points are there. If you are having concentration on these 8 points, see clearly means you will be a successful marketer. That is I want to share with you. Wishing you all the best.